So this Euro Yen analysis for Monday the 4th of June. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the Euro Yen, we've had prices we've had price progression here to the upside. We've had a break and hold of the 27.56 with the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, from which we have seen a bullish buy side momentum take us up towards that 28.59. So we're in around a key important level of the 28.59, from which we could see sell side momentum return to the market and then move back down towards that 27.56, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of possibly seeing a bullish bounce. If we do break down from 27.56, we're looking for a move down towards that 26.84. And if we were to break from 26.84, we're looking for a move down towards that 25.80. If, however, we do see this bullish momentum here continuation, if we do break and hold above the 28.59, we are looking for a price head up towards that 129 level, where we do have to be aware of the 400 period moving average, which could act as a potential resistance around the 129. Successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 29.45. And if we do break beyond 29.45, we're looking for a move up towards that 130, 129.95. What we'll do now is we'll have a look at the higher time frames. Over here on the monthly chart of the Euro Yen, what we have seen is we've had this price progression here to the upside, sharp sell-off, brief pullback, sharp sell-off again, and we are seeing some bullish buy momentum come into the market. So we did see some momentum coming to the end of last month. We did see bullish momentum as indicated by this wick, so we could see further retracement here to the upside before seeing further sell-side momentum come into the market here on the Euro Yen. Overall, though, we do appear to be recovering to the upside on the Euro Yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart, and over on the weekly chart here, you can see we have our highs. We formed the lower highs. We had this sharp sell-off all the way down in towards the where is that? Just bear with me a second here. It's 124, isn't it? We had a sharp sell-off all the way down towards the 124.62. We didn't quite get down towards the 124.65, the level I've got marked out here on the charts in blue. Came within about three or so. Sorry. We came within. No, our lows were formed in around the 24.62. Let's get this right. And we saw strong bullish buy side momentum as indicated by the wick, and we are seeing the momentum follow through so far here on the Euro Yen. We do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average sitting in and around this 129 level. We do have the 200 period moving average sitting around at 129. If we can break from there, we could see a potential recovery, from which the very next level that we are looking at here on the weekly chart would be a move up towards our previous highs, and our previous highs currently are in and around the 133.50 area, in around that 133.50 area. If we do see this continued recovery here on the daily chart, before we possibly see the sell side momentum come back into the market from a weekly time perspective. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. And over here on the daily chart, we can see here we've come all the way down towards our 124.62, from which we have seen this sharp buy side momentum come back into the market. Very strong candles over the past couple of days, and we've had a very strong candle so far today. Quite a bit of buy side momentum, taking us all the way up towards this area of an area of note in around at 28.59. So we'll see whether we do get a bit of a pullback before seeing that upwards continuation here on the Euro Yen. But the most recent price action is clearly to the upside. So we'll see our price do up from here, whether we continue to see this recovery or whether we do have a failure at some point and see the return of that sell side momentum here on the Euro Yen. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.